to Kaduna, I get to Kenya.
In the first, she's the type of person that could have given up a day hugging bucket face.
That's 6 weeks, and you would amplified what she had done in the second week. How can you be that hateful?
So guys, Wanni was just so happy this morning based on winning the Innoson car. In case guys you didn't watch it, Wanni happened to be the last girl standing when they were told to hold one iron bucket like that, and Ozzy was the last guy standing. Kelly Ray was disqualified, some of the housemates. So at the end of the day, she was able to solve the puzzle and then win the Innoson car. And I was so happy for her when she shouted, "Oh, Handy, this is our first car." I was like, wow, oh, so this is their first car. And you know, she said something that she had an affirmation that she's going to win this car, and she won it. And guys, I'm telling you people, and this affirmation, I must make millions before this December, and I'm going to get it. Because her words just fell in for her, and there is power in tongue, and it followed her to that game. And she said that was the first time she did the puzzle thing. So why am I saying this? She won that car, and then she was not like, for the person that said she's going to go back to Kaduna, which is, you all know who, Ruthee, that she's going to at least go to Kaduna with Innoson motors, and that car is very fine. That's the same car Sisi won last year. Do you understand? So guys, even the twin, the Ozzy that was, you know, challenging the car thing with her, was happy for her. And I will not blame any housemate who is angry, because this is a competition. If I know win, I go feel bad. It's normal. So guys, back to the conversation she was having with Ozzy. She was like, somebody carrying something that happened in the second week and come back to the 6th week. The same hate. Is it not funny? Trying to say that Ruthee said that their house is just so classless in Lekki. Whether she has been to her house, how did she know that they have that kind of house in Lekki, stuff like that. I feel like Ruthee is saying things based on what she heard about them. I'm not sure she has every receipt of what she's saying. Do you understand? Because if she does, she would have just be publicly displaying them unprovoked. Do you understand? But she doesn't. And maybe there may be atom of truth in what she's saying, but then you're not even sure yet. So before you say things like this that is this sensitive, you have to be very sure. Do you understand what I mean, guys? I would not also say that these twins are holy, because when they were in the house, they too, they have their own issue. But I think Ruthee went far with the whole situation. Just like she said, and I told you guys earlier, that definitely it's Big Brother that gave them job to do. But I don't think Big Brother actually told them to go this far for Dami to actually apologize, because it was more like everybody's acting, the three of them was acting on based on who they are angry at, to use that opportunity to pour out their grievances in a very negative way, forgetting that after this show, you know, there is life after this show. Most of these people, you don't know who will favor you. So it's always good to use your number 6. Even if it's Big Brother sent you that errand, use your number 6 while doing those things. So Wanni wants to use this opportunity to prove Ruthee wrong. And guys, what do you actually think? Do you think that she actually did what she's supposed to do after receiving all those insults from these DRC people? Let me know what you think in the comment section, and thank you so much for always seeing my videos. Bye guys.